Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play EA Sports FC online. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A wired connection is often best for consistent performance. Once the game loads, navigate to the main menu. From there, you will find several online modes available to explore. Selecting an online mode is your first step towards competitive or casual play against others. It's a straightforward process to get started. To fully engage with online play, you'll need to create or log in to your EA account. This account links your game progress and enables all online functionalities. Before jumping into a match, take a moment to adjust your matchmaking preferences. You can often set criteria for opponent skill level and desired connection quality, ensuring a more balanced and enjoyable experience. You can also easily invite one or two friends to play together. EA Sports FC offers several exciting online modes. Ultimate Team is incredibly popular, letting you build your dream squad from thousands of players and compete in various global competitions. Online Seasons provides a more traditional league experience, where you climb divisions by winning matches against other players. For a collaborative experience, Co-op Seasons allows you to team up with one friend and challenge two opponents together, adding a new dimension to gameplay. To enhance your online performance, consistent practice is key. Spend time in offline modes mastering skill moves and refining your defensive tactics. During matches, observe your opponent's playstyle and adapt your strategy on the fly. This flexibility is crucial for victory. Remember to always maintain good sportsmanship, regardless of the outcome. Ultimately, the goal is to enjoy the competitive spirit and have fun playing against a global community of millions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.